Hello everyone. In this question, it is given that if a, b are real numbers such that a, b is not equal to 1, satisfying the relations 19a square plus 99a plus 1 equal to 0 and b square plus 99b plus 19 equal to 0, then we have to find the absolute value of ab plus 4a plus 1 whole thing divided upon b. Okay, so let us start this. We are given two equations, okay, quadratic equations. First is 19a square plus 99a plus 1 equal to 0, right? And the other equation which is given is b square plus 99b plus 19 equal to 0, right? And we are given that ab are real numbers and ab is not equal to 1. Okay, so at first glance, since a and b are real numbers, okay, we see that in the first equation, if a is 0, then this becomes 1 equal to 0, which is not possible, right? This term becomes 0 and this term becomes 0, so 1 equal to 0, not possible. Similarly, in second equation, if b is 0, then this becomes 19 equal to 0, right? So here from this clearly we have a comma b not equal to 0, right? So you can divide each equations by a and b respectively. Okay, so on dividing the first equation by a, we get 19a plus 99 plus 1 upon a equal to 0, right? So from here we have 19a plus 1 upon a is equal to minus 99, right? Similarly, on dividing this equation by b, we get b plus 99 plus 19 upon b is equal to 0, right? So again, taking the constant term to the right hand side, we are left with b plus 19 by b equal to minus 99. So we see these two equations, the right hand side are same. So we can equate these two equations, right? So we have 19a plus 1 upon a is equal to b plus 19 upon b, right? Okay, so now if we take all the terms to the left hand side, we have 19a minus, if I take this term, this becomes 19 upon b plus 1 by a minus b is equal to 0. Okay, so now look carefully in these two terms. If we take 19 common, we have a minus 1 by b, right? And here is 1 by a minus b. Okay, so if I multiply this fraction, this numerator and denominator, if I multiply this one with a, and if I multiply and divide, that is basically I multiply an a in this term and multiply and divide a b in this term, then we have 19a minus 19 a by b, a by ab, sorry, ab. Okay, a is multiplied in both numerator and denominator. Similarly, here I am multiplying and dividing with a b. Okay, so this becomes b by ab minus b is equal to 0. Okay, now see, from these two terms I can take 19a common, so we are left with 1 minus 19a is taken already, so we are left with 1 upon ab, right? Similarly, in last two terms, b can be taken common, right? So this becomes 1 by ab minus 1, right? Okay, so we see that these two terms are exactly same. There is a difference in the sign, right? If I take a minus common, if I take minus b common here, this will be same, right? So this becomes 19a times 1 minus 1 upon ab, and if I take minus b common here, this becomes 1 minus 1 upon ab, right? So now this is already factored. Okay, this equation is factored, so the two factors are 1 minus 1 upon ab times 19a minus b equal to 0. Okay, so we have either 1 minus 1 by AB equal to 0. So this implies that 1 by AB is equal to 1. Okay, so from here this implies that AB is equal to 1. Now we are already given with this relation that AB is not equal to 1. Okay, so this has to be discarded. Okay, this is rejected since AB is not equal to 1. Okay, so let us look at the other relation. So from the other relation we have 19a minus b equal to 0. So we can do this relation, we can use this substitution. Okay, b is equal to 19a. Okay, so we are required to find this value. Okay, so ab plus 4a plus 1 whole thing upon b can be written as, this is b is 19a, right? So this first term ab is a times 19a, so this becomes 19a square plus 4a plus 1 whole thing divided by 19a, right? So now let us take these two terms common. Okay, 19a square plus 1 together. Okay, this is because if we look at the original first equation, we see 19a square plus 1, we can write it that 19a square plus 1 is equal to minus 99a, right? If this term, this second term goes to the right hand side, this becomes 19a square plus 1 becomes minus 99a, right? So I am using that one here. Okay, so we have minus 99a plus 4a whole thing divided by 19a, right? So this is almost finished. This becomes minus 95a upon 19a. Okay, so this is, I think, minus 5, right? So this is modulus of minus 5, so this is just 5. Okay, so this is the required answer. Okay, this is the required answer. So this was relatively not so difficult. Okay, the only thing that you need to look carefully is while equating these two equations together, right? In order to do this middle term factorization of these four terms, okay, I have just introduced this a in the numerator and denominator of this term and a b in the numerator and denominator of this term, and by doing that it is very easy to factorize. Okay, the rest is very easy. Okay, so this is the required answer. Okay, if any shorter methods are known to you, please highlight in the comments. Okay, otherwise this is finished, and thank you for watching.